Okay, we are here. And I don't know how loud this is, but I'm sure that was probably blasting. So, we're in the yellow. We're just getting straight here. There's Unity. Well, welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's see. Things are looking set up. Let's make sure we can see the chat. Aha. So yeah. Let's just I'll wait for some people to join maybe before I go into too many details yet. And I'll just get started. It's got a big night tonight. First of all, I'm gonna work on our poor little flamingo that decided to move to the snow area idiotically. Now, if you do talk to her twice, she does say, "Why did I move here?" Wait, what is this? Okay. There should be like an NPC section in here. There's 2 Easter eggs. Oh, this is don't disable. Where is this? NPCs. Where is she? Or maybe she's in the igloo. I don't know why. Igloo. While we're at it too, let's mess with that igloo camera zone. I've seen multiple people struggle with this. We'll just make this thinner. Push it in a bit. Hopefully that helps. Oh man. Okay. Now meanwhile inside this igloo, we're going to talk to this bird. We want to see what she is thinking. So she's set to shiver on enable. On enable. That's probably not what we want on start. Yeah. And whenever she sees fire, she gets excited. So that should be pretty good. I wonder if that is an enable thing. So the bug here is that after you give her the fire, after you're done dancing, she like returns to her shiver state. I'm not sure why that is. There's another bug in this area. There's a Corgi butt power here, which we call movement currency, that I wanted to move to the campfire and move up. So I jumped to get it. Another thing I notice is people don't realize that you can use this dance pad. So we're going to add a prompt here. Dance. Interact. Wait, no. Assets. That should help. Let's go test it out and see when she starts to shiver. I don't even have headphones on. I could be playing any type of music. No, we're not trying to play right now. We have a focus. Oh, what is this point? Okay, keep that in your memory. Let's go test her out. I also want to see, is this purple one working? Because it was not working last night whenever I was working on something. We might replace the snow a little bit tonight. I think I have a better snow system now. This Corgi butt power is not moving. Okay, good. Let's see, what do I notice here? With the camera zoom, you cannot see what she says. Oh, hey, Haunted Corgi. Nice to see ya. Glad you were able to stop by. I'm glad I was able to start earlier tonight, if we call this early. But how are you doing? How's your day? I know I've been watching your stream. I'm still like halfway through it. I'd like to finish it tonight after I'm done streaming. But tonight I'm just making some changes to the demo because we're going to make it public tonight. Or tomorrow, I guess. I think making it public will help get some more attention on it, hopefully. Okay, I think I did fix her. Everything about this, really, except for I don't like the Corgi butt power position here. And it's also not rotating. Makes me wonder. In fact, this doesn't have... Whoa! Yep, we're public today. It's you haven't actually been on one of these streams, have you? You're gonna get a whole bunch of spoilers tonight. Well, I'm glad you had a nice day, Haunted Corgi. Definitely busy days are nice every now and then. I hope it's public. That's the goal. Oh yeah, that kind of public. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're gonna make the demo public. We're just gonna go for it. People have been enjoying it. Now's not the time to be shy, I guess. Well, really what's happening is there's an opportunity for a bunch of press to play the demo. And so, but it has to be public in order for them to play it. And that starts at midnight tonight, Pacific time. And so we're just going to go ahead and make it public, at least for the week. See how that goes. Where's this movement currency I was just on? This Corgi butt power. Because this should be like shaking. Okay, we'll go back to the igloo. But yeah, we're very like thankful to people like Haunted Corgi and lots of other people in the Discord who streamed the demo. Streaming it has been so helpful for us to work out some of the kinks. And I know James had some problems with the mouse controls that are probably, I mean, on a laptop. I think the issue is the frame rate's just a little bit, if the frame rate's not good, the mouse goes faster. And I was able to fix it by updating Cinemachine for controllers. But apparently there's a bug in the newest version of Cinemachine that makes it actually worse for mice. So isn't that funny? Yeah, and we've actually added, since you played, we've added achievements. And there's going to be some various new things tonight. What is this? Okay, this is what I was looking for. This sprite, it's supposed to shake. Oh, and this is what triggers the bark. Barking is whenever NPCs talk to you without locking you into a position or whatever. They call that barking. Oh, great. You'll probably be the first person to stream the public demo. I know I really wanted to join your stream live, but it was a little early for me, or late, depending on how you judge time. I know this should be working, so I don't know why it's not. Play on awake. Let's try this again. This time, let's teleport there. That's a new feature I just built last night. I can teleport the dog anywhere. I know I can't move the camera while I'm in Unity because I turned off the mouse. So, okay, now that we have this on, let's see, this is off. So that's our issue. The question is, why is it off? Is it one time? No. Was it off whenever I was not in play mode? Okay, if this is shaking, I think we can put it back where it was. We don't want to spend too long here because there's a lot of stuff I want to do tonight. Let's just hope that that shaker's off. Ugh, it's not. Permanent. It's permanent. If it's permanent, then why would it be off? Yeah, I got a solution for this. We will copy this and paste it as a new one. Let's see if that works. And here, let's just turn this on. Ah. It looked like it was working. Now when you stream it, you can tell people to try the demo and maybe back the Kickstarter. I would reverse that. Back the Kickstarter and maybe try the demo. No. No. And I am kind of like just nervous about the demo because I feel like there's, I don't know, you know, I guess it's normal to be nervous about it. People play the demo, is that going to like satisfy them enough to where they don't need the full game? I think that did work, I just got in its way. We'll try one more time. This is the best keyboard shortcut I've ever made. Phew. Hopefully it doesn't work in the actual game. Okay, there, that worked. See, for some reason this... But now it turns on. Let's bring in fire. Does that not light it? I would expect that to light it. We need like fire breath. We got a new thing coming soon that maybe we should make fire breath for. I've got a good animation for it. A particle system. Anyway, I'm going to say that does work. Nah, let me test it one more time. A real thorough test. We'll grab a fire here. Here, in fact, let's grab our scepter. This is for our royal Corgi. And I'm glad I realized this is still in the game right now. So the royal Corgi is a Kickstarter exclusive option. And one of the things it gives you is this scepter. And what you can do is light it on fire and it gets that cool little fire animation that I rushed together. We'll probably make it a little prettier. Although I like it. We're going to... Here, I'll show you the king costume. There it is. And this should work just like normal fire. Yeah. Oh, see, look. Huh. Whenever it spawns like this, it does not bark. I mean, it does not move. For some reason, this gets disabled. I think that's probably okay. You can see the butt now more clear. Before it was kind of hidden behind the fire. So we will keep that bug for now and just be depressed by it. And let's commit that real quick. Igloo bugs fixed. Except butts doesn't move, bounce, butt doesn't bounce. Okay, next thing is I wanted to show keyboard controls on the prompts. This might get a little bit more technical, but I was already in the middle of making it work, so I'm hoping this just works. So let's go to our prompt. Yeah, so we want this to show the keyboard if you're using the keyboard. So the way we're going to do that is a little bit hopefully it works nicely. The thing is, we don't have like pictures for keyboard stuff, so we're just gonna have to replace it with text. Okay. So we're going to create some mapping of this, which I guess just for efficiency and speed, we're just going to plop it into here. Maybe we'll say I could manually do it maybe. It's not a sprite though anymore now, because we're going to want to type, like for example, it's now going to say like for gliding it'll say hold space. So it'll be like having another text. And it'll say this, and it'll be centered. That doesn't look right. Okay. 0. I don't know, the fact that it's the same font's kind of weird. Okay, we'll just add that to Text Mesh Pro UI GUI keyboard text and we'll say keyboard text. Okay, I guess what we'll do let's look at the this will not compile, so let's make sure it compiles, then we'll press play for a second because I want to look at the controls. I feel like that is always space, that is always shift, that is always click, that's always right click. That one's going to be a weird one. Actually, all these are going to be weird. Okay. We should just say poop. Bark and poop. The grass is missing. I don't see any prompts. I have the HUD off. I think I like the bolder text. What's like a multi one? Okay, so in stubby player input, we're just going to create a dictionary. Here, hold on a minute. We are going to be right. Okay, we're back. Okay. We're just going to put a little dictionary here of sprite to string, I guess. Gamepad to keyboard. We're just going to make it. We'll make this, you know what, let's just put it in the stubby player info because it's easier for me to get. It's unfortunate we have to rely on such kind of global variables, I guess, but we'll say stubby player info dot get dot what do I call that? Keyboard button image dot sprite. That should be a string. Okay. This is string text. Okay. That should work. And let's undo this. Okay, let's not. Okay, we got the keyboard. Need to refresh. Recompile here. Is there like errors? No, it's just taking a minute. Okay, in the meantime, let's see what else we got. Let those arrows shoot right through. Well, good night. Thanks for joining for a bit. It's nice to see ya. Hopefully I'll be able to pop on your stream tomorrow, but I'll definitely be watching it after, if not. So good night. While we're at this, we'll also keyboard text.gameObject.setActive, because so now we don't cache these, I don't think, so we don't have to worry about resetting the state. But for completion's sake, it's just a two-line change, and I know we'll eventually probably cache these, so. And it'll be harder to do it after I don't even know what I'm doing anymore, so that should be good. Prompt. There's also like multi buttons that look like this, But I don't know which ones actually use it. I don't think any of them do. So, yeah, because I changed glide. Glide might actually use it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's a bit of a mess. We'll just copy this. And go to glide. And we'll find this image. And we'll paste this as a child. We'll see what it looks like. Okay, yeah, we need to reset. This should be 0. It should be off, and it needs to be added to this. And we're just going to go ahead and apply to the multi-button base, just in case there is something else that uses it. Okay. Now we'll go to the stubby player info and create that dictionary. If I can figure out where that is. Okay. Ugh, I forget what these are called. Frame. Why is it called frame? Let's see, this one is space. Now this is a really kind of hacky way of doing this. And it's not going to work whenever we eventually yeah, I should actually rename these. I use them so much now. Which one is this? In fact, let's just drag them all here. I don't think we use zoom. We'll put them in order. Okay. Yeah, this is going to work. This is going to stop working whenever we allow you to change input, customize your input, which is definitely something I want to have. Let's see, what button is that? Run? It's the left shift. What is 8? RT. Ground pound right. Mouse click. Frame 9. We'll see if this just works. That's going to be something else. As always, things usually just don't work. Yeah. They did correctly turn off the image at least, so we're halfway there. Let's see if it set the text. Yeah, it did set it, and it's correct. You know, what happened is I forgot to reload the code. I forgot to recompile. So it looks like it did work first try, basically. I just didn't compile. So tell me that. Like, how often do things work the first try? Okay. Never mind. Space also works for this. If I want to show people mouse click. Yeah, this one did not work. Climb didn't work. Very interesting. Okay, this is like... You know what, maybe this one doesn't actually get called. That might be true. So we'll put this in on, enable. We don't need to call it. Turn off debug. Yeah, nothing ever works the first try all the way. Okay, well, the other thing I want to change is maybe we don't need to say click. If you say left mouse, is that good enough? I don't know. Probably not. We'll just auto size the text. Here, let's type it out, see what it looks like. Yeah, that works good. Auto size. Put your hand on your heart. On enable is what we want to do anyway with that, probably. Left mouse click. Oh, the other thing we have to do is make sure that it actually works with the controller still. Wow, it does! Wow. Oh, here, let's add that squirrel's eyes to the list. So one thing I added just in the last update was whenever you ground pound certain places that I expect you would ground pound, bones will spawn. So, it's things I expect speedrunners would ground pound on, because ground pounding is a good speedrun strat. This, I would ground pound on that. I need to add one there. There is one here, but this doesn't work too well because it's a hill. What we should do is do it a different way, maybe. I've never seen anyone get this dig spot. So I should make it a better prize. I have seen people get this. Here. What other prompts do I want to test out? Definitely this. Frisbee one. But you actually just press space. There are these errors here, which I might care about. I don't know when they appeared. Can I interact with this? Maybe it was the frisbee. Oh, I see. If you try to jump at them, that's how you take the frisbee. Ah. Now I don't see that triggering it again. Was it like... Here, maybe we'll turn on error pause. Just so I don't miss it. Try it again. I don't like that. Oh, it's the Corgi butt power. Out of butt power. Okay. That should work. Still get an error. Try to debug it real quick. Ooh, look, it happens again. And again. It keeps on trying to enable it. I don't think that's actually a problem, maybe. As long as there's no error. Oh. Well, this also brings me to... Let's do that without breakpoints. Because that stayed on the screen. There's 3. I don't think that's too important, but I also hate those prompts staying on the screen. This one is still alive. I think you shouldn't be able to start climbing. Or, no, I guess you still have some butt power. You get your butt power back pretty quick, and as soon as you have enough to climb, it lets you get on there. I don't think that's a big problem, but I am worried about these pop-ups staying around, so I have that on the list of things to look into tonight. Display keyboard controls in prompt if you aren't using gamepad. Okay. Great. Okay, squirrel eyes. Let's look at the squirrel. Ah, one of them does not have a character model. That's probably why it was not working. Let's go into this prefab. Let's just go into this NPC. We have a button here that should set up everything. There's 2 character models. 3. 4. Okay. Player lookout controller. Is that supposed to be something? Okay, let's go to the other squirrel. Make sure these are the same. This eye controller is disabled. Wonder why. Okay, let's go check on both of our little squirrel friends. We're not going to eat them. Okay. Okay, now I messed up both of their eyes. Good. Maybe that's why the eye controller was disabled in one of them, because it doesn't work for the squirrel. While I'm thinking about it, there was a little spiky point somewhere here. I'm gonna clean that. Okay, there you go. And his animation works, which I don't think it did before. going to put one of these little points there because I think that point is just begging for it. Okay. That's the second time today I've seen it and said that should be a ground pound spot. I don't like how these have changed. They better not be saving this in scriptable objects. I don't like that. Okay, we're crushing it. Your read was stuck on the screen. Ay, ay, ay. What do we do? I just have to have another hacky solution to try to fix this. I don't want these prompts getting stuck on the screen. I mean, one thing I can just do is in the prompt UI, just disable it after a certain time. We'll say 10, we'll say 20 seconds. It should never get called. But if it does, this is our like fail. If it does get stuck on the screen, this is our fail safe. So that should be fine. That helps me feel better about these pop-ups getting stuck. But I have noticed that the card pop-ups at the beginning of the game sometimes like trigger twice. So what I notice is, okay, so I think what happens is you're like on, so you got 3 or 4 of these pop-ups that appear when you first start the game. We call them cards. And say you just finished pop-up 1 and you like press X really fast. I think it opens 2 because until the next one activates, maybe the first one is still allowing this to open another card. Something like that. So I open cards. So like I open card 1. And this is where we open it. So like when you close one of them, you open the next. So I wonder if close could be called twice. That's an interesting dilemma. Maybe we just want to have a bool. We'll just add another bool as a safe check. And I know this is not good coding, but we're trying to be quick, favoring more features instead of readability and code quality. Let me just add a comment here. We like safe. Now the problem is if there's any exception here, or if it gets like stuck while closing, which I think it can. Then we have an issue. Okay. So if we're closing, just return. And just for a nice sanity check, we're going to say is closing equals false. And when we destroy, we say close is complete. I don't know what this close completes even for. But we can add another safeguard here and say when we close it, let's just do the same pattern, because I think this is probably a good thing. And for this one, it should be like 10. Or we could even call destroy. Just like this. So if destroy does not get called before, then we will close it in 10 seconds. I mean, really it could be just after 1 second. And really, I guess this safeguard just needs to be placed around this, but between both of these, I think we're good. Let's test that out and make sure we didn't break everything. Well, I think I'm going to have a hard time testing out either of these two safeguards. In fact, yeah, I'm not going to bother even like adding a warning or anything. We're just trying to trigger things like really fast. See if I create any weird problems. If I go in now, this just as like maybe the pig's coming over, maybe. I do think that's probably a little loud. Well, I do feel like the volume is just all over the place, which is another thing I wanted to work on. But I feel like when the game starts up, it randomly chooses a different volume, and I don't understand that any amount at all. Alright, like multiple way of triggering sound effects. I know in Rescue Pets, I had such a good sound system that it allowed us to change our whole sound engine that we were using just in a matter of minutes. We should never change our sound engine, but that was nice. That's more reasonable. I can't wait to get a nice sound designer on this. So we're going to figure out the running sound effect next, I think. Let's look at the running sound effects. I don't even know how that works. Footsteps. I don't know what that is. Physics. Step. Walking. Running. Start sound effects. Land, walking. If it's not playing, play it. Whenever we like disable this, maybe. Stop sprint. Now I didn't test out how we actually pause the running glitch. The walking sound, for example, is one that I feel like is always in a different tone. So you hear that? Okay, so you can see it's, or you can hear it still working. He's running his heart out. Okay. So let's see, we set on disable, stop walking, man. So let's see if we actually disable that component. So here we play it. What function is this in? Handle grounded. There's no way this calls after it's disabled. Maybe. Oh, it's in fixed update, so if we disable it, fixed update should not get called. Now here's what we'll do. We'll add a log. Sound name. We'll also add a log to stop. That not work? Maybe there's a compiler error, I don't know. Oh, hey Dustin, how's it going? Nice to see ya. I'm just trying to fix this running sound. Just keeps on going even though you're on a big ol' cozy spot. And it's annoying me. And yeah, we're going to be making the demo public tonight so that a press can play it. In the coming days. And so I'm adding a bunch of last minute features. Oh man. Rewiring it for 4 hours. Yeah, that sounds doesn't sound fun. This should say stop. Let's go back to the console. Man, after you already worked 8 hours. That's awful. Oh, you're still not fully done? Oh man. I think I fixed it. Good. We're just gonna leave these logs here. Walking stops when you stop. Or when you go to cozy moments, spots. Let's see, need to have this done by the weekend so we can start live shows on Monday. Oof. Yeah, what day is it? Oh man. And you have to work too. Yeah, live. Yeah. Everything live is exciting and thrilling and a recipe for disaster. Wait, why is that not committed? I don't know what that is. A record player. Well, yeah, at some point, you know, you just got to cross your fingers and, you know, pray. But I definitely wish you the best of luck. It sounds exciting. Wait, did I not even write down that the running... Ah, here it is, okay. Poop causes NPCs to blink extra. That doesn't sound like a bug. I don't care about it. Have you had a chance to play the demo? I think you have, right? Yeah, that sounds amazing. I can't wait. Yeah, good. Good for you. Yeah, I mean, I definitely see your excitement and it's making me excited for you. But good, I'm glad you enjoyed the demo too. Oh no. Since you played the demo, I added achievements. I added these, there's some spots you can ground pound. Oh yeah, you found the Easter egg? Awesome. Which one? Aha. The one on the back of the mountain, probably. That one is the easier one to find. Yeah. Now there's also ones that rely on glitches. So that's the only one you can get in the current version of the game without a glitch. And I just added another one to this version. What is null here? Oh, there's no Bark UI on it. Now I'll just make it a sign. Underneath the banana. Yeah, I didn't figure people would listen to it, but we have had some people listen to it. I know, Low Quality Tunes says all the signs are lies. The signs lie. But I know, because there's, you know, I don't know, I felt like, okay, you can swim all this way around and someone's going to do it. There has to be something back there. Where is this banana? Okay. We'll make this a sign. Oh. Boom. Yeah, that's a sign. Okay. We'll make this 111. And then we'll actually turn off the sign. And we'll make it smaller, I guess. We'll turn off the banana peel. You know, we have achievements in the game now, and one of the things I want to do tonight is make an achievement list in the menu somehow to kind of help like guide people towards doing more in the demo. Yeah, definitely got a trophy hunt. I know it's nice to already have an achievement system because one of the main things I want is the animal sanctuary to kind of be like a trophy room. Like every trophy should give you something in the animal sanctuary. But we do not have that working in the demo, but the fact that we already have achievements makes me excited that by the full game we'll actually get something nice for the sanctuary. Ugh. Oh, I forgot to change the message. Trying to make this more clear that it's a Donkey Kong Country thing. You know, we won't add a prompt for this one. That should work though. What else we got? Uh-huh. Now I saw that there's this spot back here. Oh, I did add this sign. Let's put this in the snow area. which needs to be turned off. Okay. But anyway, I saw that there's a spot by the waterfall that you can like get behind. Just want to put a little something there maybe. That seems like a nice place for a dig spot. And flower maybe. Yeah, booty is our, we love the booty. See, there's areas like this that you can ground pound on, and if you ground pound, it gives you extra bones. And I just figure that, I put them where I figure people might want to ground pound. And I just did that last night, I think, or 2 nights ago. I think it's in the current demo, the current version. That's online on Steam. Oh, I also made a soccer goal hole. So, you gotta get the ball in there. Oh yeah, we definitely... I want the platinum trophy too. I got a nice little platinum collection, just handfuls, I guess. You know, I don't know if I have Jack 2 or 3. I should. I also added more lily pads here. And you played Spyro at some point, right? I don't know. I think we talked about Banjo. I don't know about Spyro. But if you did play Spyro, you might recognize when there's 5 things like this, you gotta do something to it. Specifically Spyro the Dragon, as it's called, which I think is the best Spyro game. Although I understand people who like Ripto's Rage better. Actually, you know what's funny is I had I made a YouTube video about that on my other YouTube channel, like analyzing the game design of Spyro the Dragon. And, you know, it has like 70 views or something. But, and I made it years ago. Probably when Reignited released. And, someone at PAX came up to me and we were talking about the game, and then he like heard my voice and was like, wait a second. Did you make a video on game design about Spyro? And I was like, oh. Wow, that's so cool. What did I just do? I put that dig spot behind the waterfall. I hate this grass painter. I always have to say, only edit the terrain. Way too much. Just want subtle. See, not all dig spots need rocks. Well, what happened here? Why is it those? See, there's something wrong with this. I need to... ask the creator of this asset. Because look, it should not be painting two types of flowers at the same time. Do you know if in the game you can see this grass through the waterfall? Or is it only in the Unity editor? Because I know on stream the other day we had that issue. But I looked in the game and I couldn't find it. And I was like, what? There we go. Yeah, that'd be nice to check it out for me. I don't know why Unity's taking this long to save that, but okay. There. So another thing is, I notice people don't know to poop and bark. So I want to add some signposts for that. Now I'm also, there should be an NPC here. Where is he? Maybe I removed him. So I want to like guide people more towards treble. Which, wait, did you play the game whenever there was a dog to rescue? I think so, right? Yeah. It's weird because I added that like the last minute right before we started giving the demo to people. We're going to take this guy, pull him to the other side. So I think people, at PAX we were concerned about people like not understanding that you can jump on the mushrooms. But that's only because at PAX you have 6 minutes, so you got to be really on point. Okay. We're just gonna have him say something like the waterfall specifically. Great. Good. That's one less bug to fix. Thanks for checking. That definitely helps. So I also saw someone come up here and then turn this way. Which I like. I like people going that way because that's cool. Especially I like this area over here. This little dig spot or whatever is at the top of this. But I really want people to make sure they get this treble dog. In fact, I was thinking maybe there should be more than one place you can get him. Just to ensure people can get him in the demo. So it's a very easy thing to miss over there. I don't know. That might be too much effort for what it's worth. The same thing with this petting girl over here. I know it's like off in the distance. There's one part of me that's like, okay, we want to make sure that you see a variety of things in each zone, so that if you go to a new zone, there should be something new that you find there, a new experience. But you know, I also want people to find these things that are a little bit more obscure that are really good. Like that's why there's a hammock here whenever the main hammock I like is there. I also put one there because this one's really hard to find. So, and we want people to have the hammock. I mean, that's why there's also beach chairs everywhere, because the beach chair is one of the favorite moments. Man, my ears hurt. And like I know up here there's not much around here. And I don't know, there's not much you can do in this like open world space whenever there's not anything to encourage people to thoroughly explore each region. There's a lot, really. The other thing is, were you on the stream whenever I was working on that jumping climbing area? I want to like enable that. Wait, did I put something here? I'm getting to the point where I have enough stuff to where I forget if I put stuff places. Because I definitely want something there. We'll put a dig spot. And we'll make it oh, we got to show you the costumes too.
Justin says the chat isn't updated.
Really? Oh, now it is. Let's see. Oh, wow. It really didn't. I wonder if it like goes to sleep after a while. I like the party stuff. Let's see. Oh yeah, we added music to the main menu. Yeah, I liked that. Oh, bless you to whoever's blowing their nose. Yeah, that's Johnson. You said your own name, speaking in the third person. Aha. I would not say literally 5 feet, but 7 maybe, 8. Good. I was thinking what to do with that challenge area. But here, you want to see the costumes? Wait, what is this sound? Wait, does that happen when I poop? Huh.
Oh, it would be good if the Corgi could sploot on the swing as well. You can choose between sitting or splooting.
Yeah, that would be nice. Sit or sploot. Anyway, let's get the costumes going, yeah. What do we call it? Okay, let's do lobster. Hopefully this still works. There you go. Oh yeah, the Cape Trail needs to turn red. We haven't done that yet. But that's the lobster. Maximize. Let's maximize this. Look at that. Uh-oh. I cannot move the camera, so let me get a controller. Yeah, you see the eyes do wobble, the arms wobble. He has little feet. As a New Englander, I love the lobster. We love the lobster. The lobster was one of our rescue pets costumes. One of the original ones, I think. It was one of the original ones I had ideas for. I mean, I don't like clam or crab or any seafood really. Salmon's probably the only. I like shrimp, I guess, but only if they don't have their eyes. Yeah, but Johnson's allergic to shrimp and stuff like that. Wait, his mouth in the lobster costume is not a mouth. It's
all the Corgi models has to re-export it so that the UVs are mapped to the mouth texture.
And I also made his mouth close whenever he grabs things. But it also makes I also made his tongue hang out a little bit. A little blep. I thought that was cute. I do like clam chowder, which I was surprised by. Anyway, so that's our lob. Stir. Let's see if this works. You know, we still have the lobster claws on. There we go. So there's the king costume. It's the royal costume. It's gender neutral. But we got a little scepter for it. And the cape has those nice little fluffy things at the end. Here, let me maximize it again. So I love the scepter. He kind of like holds a little bit too low, maybe. And each one of these like armbands have 7. Is it 7? Or did you make it 9? The crown has 7.
Yeah, 7 gems.
Yeah, 7 gems. Does these also have 7?
Yep, it has 7.
Okay.
The scepter has 7 as well.
Now, this is my favorite part of it. The scepter has this magical fire that gets attached to it when you light it on fire.
Yeah. The pivot is made to be held in the center.
Yeah. We can see that. We can see the center. What's it called? Scepter. Let's see what that looks like. Let's also raise it up just a notch. The fire seems a little bit off center now. Okay. Well, yeah, that's because I changed the point. Yeah, there you go. There it is in the center. And of course, we'll have to move the flame too, but the flame is a lot. I'll also notice whenever you take fire underneath these flowers, it will change, it will make them taller. They're scared of the fire. Same thing with mushrooms. Yeah, I feel like the flames really make it special. And there's definitely a little bit more tweaking I'd want to do to it. But you melted all the snow, man. Not the snowman. Yeah, I love melting the snowman. Corgi Chaos. Oh, this is a ground pound. Oops. Wait, you know what? Does a butt slam like... The butt slam does not regenerate your Corgi butt power, does it? Oh man. I think it should. Oh, now his eyes don't appear underneath this. Oops.
You can show off the tripod Corgi as well,
Oh yeah, we have another thing to show off.
but not with the costume.
Yeah, this will still burn them. I know, the poor things. This one does say something. Not cool. Okay, and then we got one more treat to show. Let's see. You know what, let's copy these. Oh no, not those. Not those. Let's copy these. Yeah, those pigs are messed up. That's a good reminder. Let me fix them. Do we have to change the mesh or just the material?
Just the material.
That's material 1. Aha. Okay, live test. Okay. Yeah. Uh-huh. There's not even an error. That might not work until I like reload. So in the meantime, we'll just do it the right way. Or the easy way here. Oh, it is tricolor. Huh.
Okay, something's overriding it.
I think the second one is set up to be his skin. There he is. So there you go. Wow, he looks totally different. Oh, and he's got a little lightning bolt on his back.
There's some orange on the back of his legs.
It's just like almost like a black-headed tri. It doesn't work with the costumes? Not yet. Well, it does with the hats, right? Oh, look, his hair's yellow. Or orange. He looks good. We'll also have like a brown one. Man, the camera. Why is the camera so messed up? Okay. Yeah, this is like burnt. Lightly toasted. There you go. He should be able to bark in this. So yeah, are we supposed to change both of these? Is that why it doesn't? Yeah, well,
Mistake.
that's a good good start to the skin system. We got some more costumes in the works as well. And in a few days we'll probably show like a little show reel of them. Anyway, while we are remembering this, let's change the scepters, pivot, and what else did I do? The flammables part has to be Yep, definitely good costume ideas. Spyro and Link. Yeah, definitely. Little tunic. The tunic would be cute, wouldn't it? Not Breath of the Wild Link. Breath of the Corgi. Okay. So with that, I'm going to disable the scepters just so that we don't accidentally use it. Yeah. Let's apply these changes. What else do we have? I know the pigs. I don't want to do that right now. For some reason, one thing I noticed is his eyes go invisible whenever underneath this fog. So let's look at the render layer, or whatever you call it, for this. Why is this taking so long? Oh, it goes to shader graph or amplify. This is 3000. Can we get 2800? Whoa. Oh, but now the water shows on top of them. Let's see what the eyes are. Eye 0. The eyes are 2800. So this is so they don't render underwater. I don't think I can do this right. Let's see. So if we want the eyes to show up under the water, or be hidden underwater, the water shows up. And honestly, why is the water transparent? It's just for the depth shader, I guess. Something like that. Really, we just need to make it non-transparent. That was $29.90. I can't edit them all at the same time. Actually, that actually made them more transparent because now the grass renders on top of them, yeah. Okay. Water. Huh. Let's just play this for a second, see if it works. Whoa. Yeah, that does make sense, I guess. It looks cool. We'll say swim, yeah. So we'll undo those changes, obviously. I'm not going to mess with that. Well, let's see, for the eye, I think it's better that you can see it underwater than you can't see them at all. Under the cloud. So we'll leave that as something to fix later. for this guy. Okay, let's do some top of the mountain manipulating, maybe. No. Let's make the achievement list. It's time to work on something bigger. I think that's probably the most helpful thing I can do right now. Oh man, make sure I don't commit this. Wait. No, I didn't make any changes to this, did I? Yeah. Wait, why would the eyes work underneath that now? Of course, now the clouds disappear. Okay. Okay, this is weird. I've never gotten this exception before. Huh. Weird. Okay. Well, let's go to the pause menu here. See how much room we got to work with. Now we also have this like screenshot mode. Oops. well, good night. I'm glad you were able to join for a bit. It's always nice having you here. And good luck with everything. I know you'll get it all done. It'll go really well. Yeah, thanks. Sweet dreams. So let's see, we'll just expand this out a bit. Looks like we want to add more space, like between that or something. Okay, anyway, let's make this stubby collection pop up. And let's see. Yeah. Maybe we'll use this as a base for now. I don't know what we want to call these. But yeah. There's a scroll bar on this? Weird. This is not any layout, yeah. What? Achievements and bones saved. Okay, I guess I have to make a new script in order to load the achievements correctly. So we'll do that, but we'll also make this a vertical layout group. We're not going to expand height or width. We're just gonna let it be what it is. That still doesn't work. Okay. Oh, its height is 0 and really? Let's make sure that's not like it in the real game. The achievement displayer. Maybe this sets the height. Okay, we need a nice, easy achievement to get. It's hard with the keyboard and no mouse control. Okay. We need an achievement for all what's it called? P spots. Oh, so its height is still... Oh, the height's supposed to be 0. I hate that. Okay. Oh, it was always appearing, okay. Sure. Okay. What's it called? Collection. Oh, stubby. Ah, that's why it's invisible. It expects it to be in the other corner. Ugh. That's the annoying thing about these UI things. Okay. Now it becomes visible a bit. Okay, how do we want to deal with this? Instead of doing it the right way, we're going to do it the fast way. We're going to move this over a bit. Still out there. We'll go ahead and move it down a bit too. Might as well. Oh, it's like stuck to the top? Oh, it's because we're in a scroll view? Okay. Huh. Okay. We're gonna have to do this the right way, I guess. Much to my dismay. Okay, first of all, this is a stupid thing. So the problem I'm having is this display UI piece is set up because it thinks that it's for the bottom of the screen. It doesn't realize that, you know, I might want to use it someplace else. So I could just create a new one, I guess. Just to do it fast. Okay. We'll do it the right way. 512. A little bit scared though. Here, what we'll do is unpack this so I can edit it here nicely and I can move stuff out. Okay. Now we'll do the same thing again, but now everything's correct. We'll move this out.
I'm submitting the mission cards.
Great. And then we'll put this in here. And we'll put this here. Okay, now we got a good width. So now we'll do this. There you go. See, that's as easy as it was. And we'll add some spacing. There. Okay. We'll save that for now. And we'll come back here and we'll make sure we didn't ruin it here. Okay. What's the pivot for this? Let's make the pivot 1. No, Y. 1. 1. Okay. Then 0. Make it 50-50. Negative 50. Negative? Okay. As we add more, they go up. Make it 10. Okay. There you go. That's something we can live with better. Collection pop-up. Let me try to be quick. Okay, we got these achievements. It's a good UI. It's a good UI, good UI. So now we just have to actually fill them with stuff. So I think we'll just have to make a whole new class for this. Well, let's see, because it doesn't have to be an event listener, because we're not going to get any achievements while this menu's open. I'm not sure exactly how hard this will be, but we're going to say on enable. What? We're going to give it this. How does it know which achievements? I don't think it matters, I guess. Because it uses an event system to grab achievements, okay. If it's not hidden, okay, we're going to create item view for list achievement. Now, surely there's something here that does this. Yield break. So what does that happen? Return false. Why would this return false here? Oh, this returns true. If achievement display is null. Okay, so we got this. What is this? Yeah, that should just be, okay. Sure. Create item view. So this is where it should be on that class, I guess. I mean, it should be on this class. Like all this stuff, but whatever. It's not our class. This is not either, but I'm still messing with it. It's gonna be dangerous one day. We got that. Can we make this static? Can I make it a parameter? I don't know why this is white. Okay. Transform. I'll make this public. It really should be part of this, but There you go. We got our list. I don't think we need to refresh it or anything. I think that should just work. Like if you could select it or something, that might be a little bit more complicated, but this should be good. Oh, let's make that a new file. A little bit worried is when this list overflows, it's going to create some problems. I feel like Unity's been having more like loading problems the last day or two. You know, I wonder if it's because I've been using what is it called? Serialized reference. Let's see how this works. Just like right off the bat. Well, it does create them. Not sure why I can't actually scroll. Ah. See, I'm always confused on what this actually means. Child force expand. Control child size. Oh, we need a content size fitter. That's probably what we needed. I realize why this asserts there now. Okay. Let's make this permanent. We'll make this start as well. Oh, this is just the prefab collection. Great. Okay. What I fixed there? I made that min size. It's been a while since I've done UI stuff. Okay. Okay, so I'll make it so that these, the background changes whenever you have the achievement versus if you don't. And we'll also make the sprite turn on or off. Okay. Now, I don't think I changed anything that would require me to recompile, so yeah. I wonder how this is even calculated. Yeah, I think they mess with the actual scriptable object. Let's go achieve something. Notice how that turns the right color, so that's good. Which achievement is it? Collect gold. That one is, I thought, true. Okay, so yeah, they're not using the scriptable objects. That's actually good. But I don't know how to get this. I want just like a get progress. I don't see any like get progress. Achievement. Now here we display the achievement. How do we get this? On an event. Achievement unlocked. Let's look. They really don't say anything about this. Like this has progress current. I guess all we can do is maybe do this. Barker. If unlock status is false. I don't know if this works. It's kind of like, well, that's weird. They should just have a get status method. I don't understand why they wouldn't. If this does work though, we'll refactor it a little bit. There you go, yeah. Okay, so we will refactor it a little bit in that we'll make sure that the achievement passed in is grabbed from the manager instead of from the scriptable object, I guess. So Then we'll remove this list, and that should work. So I guess they create like some... Oh, that's a really interesting way of doing it, I guess. Another thing we could do is just like list them out, maybe. Nah, this is good. Needs to work with the scroll wheel though. I don't know why this doesn't say achievements though.
The king fixed the Corgi code thing. The king supports the Corgi hosts as well. In slot 2.
Cool, let's try that out. And slot. Yeah, so we just change slot 1 and you get the tricolor.
Yep.
Okay. Let's try. Mixing and matching.
Yeah. The best way to do is just separate by material in Blender and then select them in order and join them. Is that right?
Well, let's see if it's a code problem or a model problem. Okay, this does say Corgi orange. Why? Ah, there we go.
Is that a permanent fix?
Yeah. Let's put the hat on. Or let's do lobster.
No, the lobster isn't fixed yet.
Oh. Let's put the hat on. Oh, his fur or his hair.
Oh, it doesn't turn off.
Yeah.
I see. So it probably has to be a hat attachment or something. And if we do that, then the king won't need its own model, maybe? It could auto-equip this scarf instead.
Well, let me think.
Wait, the mesh should change. Right?
The mesh is Corgi King.
Uh-huh. And it has the hair.
There is no tricolor mesh.
No, I mean, it's not using the king mesh, right?
It's using the King mesh.
I probably exported with the hair,
Yeah.
so.
Let's make that left mouse click thing a little smaller. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Okay, for the achievements UI, we just need to make scroll.
Well, there you go. The king is re-exported without the hair.
Well, good, that's an easy fix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hydrants. Okay. Should have pulled first. Okay. The mission says 20%.
That's it?
Yeah. Maybe for the second one, well, we'll talk about it later. I don't know why all these unapplied import settings keep happening every time I click on an image. Okay, so on the pause menu here, we're gonna add this our mission section, and it should pop up this thing, and we'll just plop that in and that in. We'll see if this just works. It doesn't, so we'll make a new prefab, I guess. Or maybe it could have worked. It's like there's a lot of things that need to change for this. On enable we start cards, that's what happened. Yeah. Just add some nice little settings to this. Could still work. I don't know what said it was destroyed. So it's like current selected. I know why. Pause menu, pop up. Did I make that public? This needs to be public. That should not be public. This should tell me if it's called in an asset. So there's something weird here. What could be selected? Please tell me this shows selected game object. This is not right, is it? Yeah, it is. Okay. It's like there's two things to select here. Well, that works. Huh. That's worrisome. I have no idea what. Okay. Now I guess we'll add it to the start menu if we can. That's a pretty weird bug there. Yeah, this is what the game looks like in the editor if you start it from the start menu. Not cozy. Although the fireflies look more prominent. Okay, well, we add it to the main menu now, so let's make sure I saved that base screen change. And I think that's probably a good time to end the stream. So yeah, thanks for watching, and definitely check out that Kickstarter. We got a lot to share over the coming last week of the Kickstarter, so look forward to that. And yeah, you know, peace out now. I don't know how to actually end the stream. Where are we at? Right there. Okay, see ya.